Good morning. How are you guys doing today? Good. All right. So we're just going to review what we went over last week. Does anybody remember what a digit is?
A number.
Good job, Bonnie. Next time, please remember to raise your hand. Okay. We also went over place value. So does anybody remember what this place value is, where the 2 is?
Is it the tens place?
Yeah, it is. No, actually, this one's the 1. Sorry. The 1 would be where the tens column is. So remember, the first one is the ones column, and the second one is the tens column. And now we're gonna review counting to 20.
Okay, so all together we are going to count. I'm gonna point at the number and we're going to go. So ready? 0,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Excellent job. So now what we're going to do is Miss Naylor is going to pass out some cards for you. So what's going to happen here is we're going to say digit, tens, or ones. If you think you have a digit, such as a number 0 through 9, you're going to hold that card up. If you think you have a number that's in the tens place, it's going to be underlined. So if the first number is underlined, that is obviously the tens place. If the second one is underlined, that's the 1 place, and you're going to hold it up whenever we say.
And Abby, your lesson's on your iPad, so you can just do that.
Okay, so class, we are going to hold up the number that has the ones place underlined.
Hold it up. Good job, class.
Excellent, good job. Now we are going to hold up the number that is a digit.
Good job, you guys all have digits.
And next we are going to hold up the one that has the tens place underlined.
Good job, everybody.
Excellent. Just to review, we are going to go over place value over here. So remember, if you have a number such as 18, what 1 is the 8? Does anyone know?
Is that the ones or the tens column?
Bonnie? Ones.
Good job.
Great job. I like how you raised your hand. And say, what 1 would this be then?
Kim, do you know the answer?
Is it the tens place?
Great job.
Okay, so now that we're done reviewing, we're gonna work on a worksheet, and if you guys need any help, just raise your hand, and Abby, once again, yours is on your iPad.
I will hand out some pencils. So this is also just to review the tens and the ones. So if you have 37, we'll do the first one together. If you have 37s, what 1 is in the tens? The first number or the second number?
The first number.
Great, so you'll write a 3 for the first one. And the ones, how many ones are there?
7.
Good job.
So 7 would go in the second block. Abby, did you get yours? Good job.
All right, excellent. So just keep going on that. And we're going to review.
I like how you guys are working so quietly. Do you guys have any questions? Okay. All right, is everybody finished?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna review. So can anybody do number 2? What was the tens?
So there would be 4 tens and 3 ones.
Good job.
Excellent. And what number does that make?
43.
Great
All right.
job.
So for the next one, what number goes in the tens column? Good. And then what one goes in the ones column? All right, Abby, you can do the next one. You can just type it in and then I'll say it out loud for you. Which one goes in the tens column? 7. Good job. And then which one goes in the ones column? 2. Excellent job. We're
So-
going to do one more.
So Abby, what number would that make?
Oh, I'll go back over. 72. Excellent. Good job.
Great job.
We'll do one last one, and then we can move on to our fun game we have planned for you. So the next one, what one is in the tens? What number?
4.
Good job. And then which one's in the one column?
4.
So what number does that make?
44.
All right.
Excellent.
So we're gonna collect those from you.
You guys are doing great with your 1s and 10s. We are very proud of you.
And we have a fun activity. Miss Cogis, do you want to explain this?
Oh, sure.
Okay, the players are for 2 to 3. Abby, you can choose to participate. You don't really need to talk during this activity, or you can go on your iPad and work on your digits too.
So what we're going to do is Miss Naylor is handing you a card. These cards are ranged from numbers 11 to 20. And each time we're going to take a turn, just like we're playing a card game. So whoever has the number 11 is going to start. They're going to put it down, and it has to be in order. So the next person will have to put down a 12. If they do not have the 12, they will be skipped over, and the person who has the 12 has to put it down. So say Bonnie has the 11, and Abby doesn't have the 12, and Kim doesn't have the 12, it will be Bonnie's turn to put down the 12. Do you guys
So who has the
understand?
11? Bonnie.
Okay.
Okay. So you put that down. Now it's Abby's turn. Now what goes after 12?
13.
13. So do you have a 13?
No.
Then your turn gets skipped. Bonnie, do you have a 13? All right.
Excellent.
Good job, Abby.
And once we get to 20, whoever has the fewest cards wins.
Abby doesn't have 17. Good job. No 18? All right, Abby. 19. Did you have a 20? All right, game's over. So now you count up your cards. We have a
And
tie.
then we have a tie.
Do you guys want to play again to see who wins? Yeah? All right. Okay, so who's the starter now? Who has 11? All right. Bonnie, your turn. 12 comes after 11. Good job. No 13 for Abby?
No.
No 13 for Kim? Bonnie? All right. 13, 14. You guys are excellent at counting. All right. Bonnie, any 17? 17.
I like how you guys know your numbers too. That is excellent.
Any 18? 18. Need a 19. Uh-oh, who's going to be the winner?
Kim.
All right.
Great job.
Okay, we're just going to review one last time. Does anybody have any questions on the ones or the tens columns? Any questions? Okay, who can remember what a digit is? Raise your hand, please. Kim?
The number.
Good job.
Number 0 to 9 is a digit.
All right. That's it, everybody. Thanks for participating.